Hi everyone, my name is Ashish. I work for Semnox Solutions. We are basically a cashless solution provider for indoor game centers, FECs, and also for outdoor centers like parks, water parks, theme parks. We have multiple products including our readers. These go on the game machines, arcade game machines, to automate gameplays. These are ones that go on the turnstile, so we can do access control, we can do cashless operations. We have the RFID bands as well, which helps in contactless solutions. We can provide RFID locks. These locks go on the cabinet and they go on the same ticket band, so you don't need to have different bands and different tags for each operation. They are all completely automated into one solution. We have the self-service kiosk. The kiosk is self-service completely, where the customer can do registrations, they can buy a new ticket, buy a new card, top up, balance. We also have waiver, digital waiver, where the customers can come in and sign their waivers as well. So all this completely indoor, outdoor, the cashless solution, lockers, everything is part of one solution. So that makes it easy to create packages where you can sell food, you can sell tickets, you can sell cashless, arcade games, and everything automated in one solution. We also have the e-commerce website and the mobile apps that the customer can help in their journey. So the benefit of the entire solution is how you can package it, and the different promotions that you can offer, the memberships, the entire thing becomes one, and that's the best part about Semnox Solutions. We have been doing this for about 14 years now. We have been part of this industry for in the entertainment venue. So we have about 2,500 locations that use our solution right now. It's been a great pleasure. We are part of the Deal Show 2022 right now, and it's been a great pleasure to be here and meet the people back in person after a long time.